Okay guys, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see, my hair's been stretched and I'm going to be using Curl Lala today to set my braids. And you know how much I love Curl Lala. It provides so much moisture. It gives me great definition. It's not sticky. It doesn't leave a residue, but it's like an all-in-one product. For me, it's all that you really need to set your hair. I don't have to add a secondary product or anything like that. So I'm going to apply it on each section of my hair, avoiding the roots of my hair. And I'm just going to braid my hair, 3-strand braid, okay? And I'm gonna braid my hair all the way down. I'm gonna apply a 2-strand twist on the very ends just to make sure that I get some type of curl at the end and not a wave pattern that the braid gives. So the important thing to note when doing your braids is to make sure you don't pull hair from the other sections. Make sure your sections are even and you don't pull any hair from the different sections. Keep it nice and even because when you go to unravel these braids, it'll be nice and easy and it will prevent the frizz. So I'm going to just continue this on the remaining sections of my hair, and so you guys can watch and see how I do this. All right, so while I'm braiding, I'm going to be talking to you guys a little bit about my hair color. So as you guys can see, it still looks very dull. I believe that all of the black rinse has faded out. So now is the time to do something about this dull color. I'm going to be depositing a color over my hair, just one color. Because right now the brown in my hair is just blowing me, okay? It makes my hair look dead, like seriously dead. Some people are like, oh, I like it. No, it looks dead. So I'm going to be depositing a color, a darker color over my hair just to bring back that richness, that luster that my hair has. And we'll go from there. So I can't wait to show you guys that. But in the meantime, this is what we have. I'll probably do that within the week. So look out for that. So now that I'm done braiding my hair, I am going to allow it to dry. And this is a quick set. So I only allowed it to dry for about an hour and a half, something like that. I stretched it so it didn't take much time at all. And once it was dried, now I'm going to apply some of the Curl Lala on the sides of my hair because I'm going to be defining them with my curl sponge. So I'm just applying some of the Curl Lala, and now I'm going to take my sponge and just define those curls on my sides. This is pretty much the only way I do it unless I do like finger coils with my fingers. So you can use a gel or you can use whatever styling product you're using. The Curl Lala seems to work well. It adds a lot of shine and a lot of moisture. So I like to use it without adding too many products in my hair. So you guys can watch and see how I do this. All right, you guys, so now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and unravel these braids. And as you can see, look, I just do one little pull on two of the legs and the braid comes right out. That is what I mean by don't grab any hair strands from the different sections. Keep it all even, and it makes it just so much easier to unravel your braids without causing any frizz. All right, you guys, this is the look that I came out with for this braid out using Aunt Jackies Curl Lala. If you guys have any questions about where you can find Curl Lala in your area, definitely check out Aunt Jackies Coils.com. Check the description box, I will have it linked, but you can check out their store locator on their website and it'll show you where in your area the Aunt Jackies products are sold. They're also available on Amazon. But yeah, you guys, let me know what you think. Comment down below and let me know if you've tried Curl Lala. And I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye.